Hi everyone, in this video I'd like to show Maxwell stress tensor. We want to calculate the force acting on the body, and we assume that electromagnetic fields around the body are known. Then the Maxwell stress tensor is calculated from the electromagnetic fields. Then integrating the Maxwell stress tensor over the surface enclosing the body allows us to calculate the force acting on the body. I hope it is clear. So then let's go through the mathematical formula. The force in the alpha direction is given by integrating the Maxwell stress tensor T alpha beta on surface S beta, which is given by equation 1. And T has a 3×3 tensor form, and for example, TZZ and TXZ are shown in the schematic consisting of two bodies. Casimir forces correspond to Fg, which is given by equation 3, and TZZ is expressed by electrical fields and magnetic fields. For summary, Maxwell stress tensor is calculated from electromagnetic fields around our body, and integrating that gives a force. That's all. See you in the next video.